Okay, this is my project bin box based on the theme Corona World. Now let's see how it works. When a person reaches to bin box, it opens it LED and is simultaneously indicated by blinking LEDs. All this happen by sensing through an ultrasonic sensor. After this, green LEDs will blink for 1 second, informing that you can use bin box. Now it will wait for 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, again green LEDs will blink, uh, informing that the lid is going to close. Now the lid is closed. Simultaneously, the sanitizing pump will appear, will be on for 2 seconds, followed by 1 second delay, followed by on for 2 seconds. After sanitizing, red LEDs will blink for 1 second, informing that the bin box is going on standby mode. Now bin box is on standby mode till any person reaches it. Thank you.